Here is a question. A body of mass 10 kg slides on a horizontal surface. When the horizontal force on it is doubled, its acceleration increases from 1 meter per second square to 10 meter per second square. Then find the coefficient of friction of the surface taking G is equal to 1. So it is given in the question that the mass of the body is 10 kg which is sliding on a surface, and G is given as 10 meter per second square. When forward force F is doubled, then acceleration changes from 1 meter per second square to 10 meter per second square. As the body slides over the same frictional surface, so the force of friction should be equal to mu into reactional force. Mu is the coefficient of friction which is to be calculated, which equal to mu into mg, as the body rests on a horizontal surface, weight is acting downward and reactional force is acting upward. So R is equal to mg, which equal to m is given 10 kg, g is given 10 meter per second square, which equal to mu into 10 Newton. Mu into 100 Newton. So this is the frictional force. We have to calculate this mu. To solve this question, we may note that the net forward force, which equal to mass into the forward acceleration, on the body, m into a, which equal to the force, horizontal force applied on the body minus the frictional force. This is the equation. For first case, when the force is F and acceleration is 1 meter per second square, equation becomes 10 is the mass, is equal to F minus F, which equal to 10 is equal to F minus F. This is equation number 2. Now for the second case, where force is doubled and acceleration is 10 meter per second square, mass remains same, acceleration is 10 meter per second square, force F is doubled, forward force is doubled, minus the frictional force remains same as the surface does not change, same surface it is moving. So this equation becomes 100 is equal to 2F minus F equal to, this is equation number 3. Now multiplying 2 with equation number 2, when equation number 2 is multiplied with 2, we'll get 20 is equal to 2F minus 2F. When we'll subtract it from equation number 3, minus plus, then we'll get 80 equals F, which equal to mu into 100. This implies mu is equal to 80 by 100 is equal to 0.8 is the coefficient of friction of the